how to fix PS5 disk drive. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS5 disk drive. Now, if you're experiencing disk drive issue with PS5, here's how you can do it. First of all, you can go ahead and check for an update. Make sure that your PS5 system software is updated to the latest version. After you're done updating, try restarting your device, then that might be able to fix the issue all at once. If that is also not working out, then you can also try cleaning the disk and drive. So ensure that the disk is clean without scratch or smudge. Use a microfiber cloth to clean both the disk and PS5 disk drive carefully. Make sure that all of your cables or USB cables are in good conduct. Make sure that they are ejected properly. After that, you can also try rebuilding your database. So in order to rebuild your database, first of all, boot the PS5 in a safe mode by turning it off completely and then holding the power button until you hear a second beep. After that, you'll need to select the rebuild database from a safe mode menu. Follow the on-screen prompt on how you can complete the procedure. After you're doing that, you might be able to fix the issue all at once. If that's also not working out, you can also check for obstructions. Ensure that there's no physical obstructions in the disk drive slot that might be hindering in the operation as well. Despite following all of these steps, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try contacting the support team. Now, contacting the support team or getting help of an expert can fix the issue all at once. So in that way, you can fix PS5 disk drive. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.